Welcome to Learning Butterflies Tamil.
Vegetables, farm fresh vegetables. Fresh vegetables, come and buy. Cheap and tasty, don't be shy. Do you all know what vegetables I have in my cart?
Tomato, celery, spinach, potato, mushroom, flat beans, sweet potato, broccoli, onion, bottle gourd, eggplant, lady's finger, beans, cabbage, carrot, lemon, zucchini, lettuce, capsicum, bitter gourd, ginger, yam, coriander, radish, garlic, turnip, pumpkin, chilies, mint, cauliflower, cucumber.
Vegetables, farm fresh vegetables.
Learning Butterfly சேனல்ல சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. கூடவே இந்த பெல் பட்டனையும் பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you for watching.